spoonful. Good job. Now you gotta scrape it off the bottom. Scrape it off. No, get the mouth now. He's looking for it. Put it in his mouth. There it is. Good job. You have more on his chin than you did in his mouth, Callum. What are you doing? What are you doing, Callum? Are you feeding Liam? Can you sing him a song? Hello, it's my friend Jean-Pierre eating some pear. What a big brother.
Good job, Callum. Liam's looking at me as if to say, help me, Mommy.
Good job.
Nice beard, Liam.
Nice. Hello there. Hello. it's like a small little goatee. Hello, my name is Jean-Pierre. More? More. So here you go, Liam. Ah, very good. Autopilot. That's why we need more kids, so we can just have them feed each other and we can just relax.
Poor Liam.
Wait, do you want to put some in his mouth?
Liam's not impressed. He's looking at me as if to say, Mom, come on.
There you go. You're silly.
Good job, Callum.
Good job, buddy.
Callum, are you a good big brother?
Say, yes, I am.
Do you like helping?
Can you sing the song Helping?
Helping, 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 like helping, helping, helping,
Helping out, there's no doubt. About.
You're going to show him?
Show him how to do it. But Big Brother's going to show you how to eat. Just sick.
Mama.
One more. Good job, Callum. Way to go. High five.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Plug it
Obadoom.
down.
Abadoom.
He's trying to lick it off his lips.
He said one more. Ah.
Okay, I think we're done, aren't we? We need to clean up Liam's face.
Nah.
got it all up his nose, bless him.